Scientific instruments. You hear that, boys? We're scientists now.
Well, they're so bright that the camera won't focus, but there's your red, white, and blue. Here we are. And if you do the upgrade for the extra controller, you can have pure white DRLs as well as blinker functions. And let's test the other one. And of course, the white always overpowers the color. No driving around with colors on. There they are. Okay, so we pinched the two pieces apart. All the screws are out. These are just going to pop out. Now we have to remove the clear tubes running through here. I'm just going to show it. So the bottom one has two Phillips heads. And then all these little clips use the flathead. And you can just pry it apart and take that out, and I will show you how to mount the LED boards. Same with this one. It's it's 4 plastic tabs. I just put a flathead screwdriver in between the clear and the white and pry it off. Just showing how this piece goes. And separate them. Little clips down the side. Pull your acrylic tube out. LED strip will be mounted on this piece, on this flat edge. That way when put back together, it's shooting into the clear acrylic. Okay, lens off, acrylic's out. This will snap back on top of it. Make sure you hug the inside line, or the clear lens is not going to go back. This is a Flow Series Kia K5 headlight kit. So of course, you have to bake the headlights. I do 260, 10 minutes. There is one screw on the back of the housing on this corner. And this, you have to take out that one screw. That one screw, I'll show you. I have the passenger side. I'm just starting to take it apart. That screw holds this piece in, and the first screw holds this piece in. So heat it, open it, pull the housings off the lens. This is your old blinker. Unscrew that, unhook it. You're not going to need it anymore. These separate. They're pinched together. Take it off. You're not going to need it anymore. Clear tubes. Not going to need it anymore. There's a lot of screws holding these together. So just take all the screws out. Not bad. I just made it as this piece. That way it can be removed. Not bad.